Welcome to the Report Card Maker Video User Guide. This video will introduce you to Report Card Maker and discuss every button, field, and option. Feel free to pause this video at any time for discussion or to try things for yourself. So, let's get started. Report Card Maker is a standalone application that is customized to your district's report cards. It does not require any other program to run. RCM is available for both Macintosh and Windows computers, and your password-protected data files are cross-platform. RCM is designed to be easy to learn and use. RCM is also bilingual, so you can work in English and print in Spanish. Hundreds of comments are available on our pre-translated comment library, and there's even a spell checker. RCM generates professional-looking printouts. The system requirements for Report Card Maker on a Macintosh is any PowerPC processor running System 8.6 or later with a minimum of 24 megabytes of application RAM. For Windows computers, you'll need Windows 95, 98, 2000, NT, ME, or XP with a minimum of 24 megabytes of application RAM. For either platform, you'll need a CD-ROM drive to install from a CD. If installing from a download, a connection to the internet is required. To install RCM onto your Windows computer, insert the Report Card Maker CD into your CD-ROM drive. When the install window appears, click the Install RCM button to begin. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. To install RCM onto your Macintosh computer, insert the Report Card Maker CD into your CD-ROM drive. When the CD appears on the desktop, double-click the folder for your operating system. Finally, double-click the installer icon. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. To install RCM from the internet, point your web browser to www.clearvisiontech.com/updates. Click the Report Card Maker link under Downloads, then click the platform for your computer. Follow the directions to complete the installation. Launch RCM on your Windows computer by choosing Start, Programs, RCM. On a Macintosh computer, open your Applications folder and double-click the RCM folder. Then, double-click the RCM application icon. If this is the first time you are running RCM and you installed from a CD-ROM, RCM will copy some additional files from the CD. If the CD is not present or you installed from an internet download, RCM will need to download some additional files from the ClearVision website. When prompted, choose your state and then name of your school district. Click the Continue button to complete the installation. Once the download is complete, restart RCM. When RCM is launched, you'll see the Startup screen. Click the New button to create a new, empty teacher file. Click the Open button to open a teacher file you have already started. The Open Files in Principals Mode checkbox enables the Principal Mode's features. Use the Quit button to exit RCM. Click the Recent Files button to display a list of all teacher files that have been opened. If a file's entry is displayed in red, then that file has either been moved or deleted. Select the desired file and click OK to quickly open it. When you create a new file or open an existing one, you'll see the main screen where you can create or edit your student list. To create a new student, click the New Student button. Then enter the student's first name. Use the Tab key on your keyboard to advance to the next column and enter the student's middle initial. Type Tab again and enter the student's last name. Tab to the Gender column and use your keyboard's arrow keys to select the gender. Repeat this same process for the grade level and language. If desired, you can assign a marker to the student and enter the student's ID number. To edit a student's information, just click on or tab to the data you want to modify and type. To sort your student list, you can click any of the column names. For example, if you want to sort your students by first name, click the First Name button. To delete a student from your student list, select the student's name and click Delete Student. To edit a student's report, choose the desired form from the Report Selection pop-up menu. Then, double-click a student's name or click the Edit Report button. The selected report will appear in the Report window. The Report window contains two sections, the toolbar and the selected student's report. Some of the data on your report cards is the same for all students. These sections are called global or teacher data. Report Card Maker knows which parts of your report cards should be the same for all students. For example, to select your school name, simply click where the school name is on your report card. A window will open where you can choose your school. Notice the word Global in the window's title. This lets you know that this data will be applied to all students. Other global areas are the teacher name and principal name. Click on these areas to enter the information. In RCM, grades can be displayed in a variety of ways. When you click in a grade grid, a pop-up menu will display the available grades for that cell. Simply click the desired grade. Clicking in a type-in grade will open the data entry window where you can enter any text you desire. Clicking a checkbox places a check or an X in the cell. Click the checkbox again to remove the X. For continuum-style grades, click or drag where you want the bar to end. RCM also allows you to use your keyboard's tab key to quickly navigate through the report. When you tab to a cell, a pop-up menu of grades will appear. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to select the desired grade. Then, type Tab again to advance to the next cell. You can also type the letter of the grade. For example, to select A, type the A key. You can even type the grade's line number. For example, to select the grade C, which is the third line in the list of grades, type the number 3. When tabbing to a checkbox, type any key to add or remove the X. RCM has the ability to let you edit grades in a class list view. To use this feature, choose Edit Grades in List from the Preferences menu. With Edit Grades in List enabled, click in a grade cell. The Edit Grades in Class List window contains a list of all students in the same grade level as the current student. Click the desired grade for the selected student. If the Auto Advance checkbox is checked, RCM will automatically advance to the next student. You can also select multiple students by clicking their names. Then choose a grade that will be applied to all the selected students. When the grades are as desired, click the Set Grades button to set the grades. Choose Edit Grades in List from the Preferences menu again to turn off the Edit Grades in List feature.